So we are asked to solve the equation log 4 to the power of 2x in base 2 is equal to log 27 to the power of x minus 1 in base 3. So we have it that log 4 to the power of 2x in base 2 is equal to log 27 to the power of x minus 1 or in base 3. Now at this point, we express 4 in the powers of base 2 and express 27 in the powers of base 3. So the equation now becomes log 2 to the power of 2 enclosed in a bracket all to the power of 2x in base 2 equal to log 3 to the power of 3 all to the power of x minus 1 or in base 3. Now we can simplify the powers, so we have that log 2 times 2x is 4x in base 2 equal to log 3 in base 3. 3 times s is 3x. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Now at this point, we apply the index law of logarithm. Recall that if I have log n to the power of p or in base n, this can be expressed as p multiplied by log n in base n. So we apply this rule here and also apply the rule here. So the left hand side becomes 4x multiplied by log 2 to base 2 equal to, and the right hand side becomes 3x minus 3 multiplied by log 3 to base 3. Now also recall that logarithm to each base is equal to 1. So therefore, log 2 to base 2 is equal to 1. And log 3 to base 3 is equal to 1. First, we have that this becomes 4x times 1 is equal to 3x minus 3 multiplied by 1. So we have that this becomes 4x is equal to 3x minus 3. Now at this point, we move 3x to the left hand side. So we have that this is 4x minus 3x equal to minus 3. So 4x minus 3x is x. Thus, we have that x is equal to minus 3. Thank you so much for watching, and please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.